that concept, then we will reach the TRL 3. And once that proof of concept is reached theoretically, if you do it on laboratory demonstration, it will come for TRL 4, and 5 will be the lab scale validation. And instead of the actual product, if you have done it scaled model, then this is the TRL 5. And actual demonstration will come under 6, TRL 6. And finally, capability validation and economic aspects will come under TRL 7. Usually, a startup will get funding after TRL 6 to 7 only. So 1 to 5 will be on development stage itself. And capability validation is TRL 8, and that is on full range. Part by part will be TRL 8, and the complete product with long period, minimum of 3 years of validation has to be taken for TRL 9. So let us see this TRLs one in depth of what are the things involved in each one. So as of TRL 1 is concerned, it's initial scientific research beginning. So here we don't expect a big things. Just we can explain with some examples, including studies on basic materials and properties, or principles or qualities based on the postulated and observed results. And here we will do some principal observation only, basic principal observation. So just if you describe your product, then that will be under TRL. And at this stage, you will be focusing on fundamental understanding of material and the process involved. So just you will say, so these are all the things required, just like writing the basic requirements. What do we need? What are the hardware required? What are the software required? Who are the target audience? Like that, if you segregate, that will be coming under TRL 1. And TRL 2, here you will do some applied research. That means you will do some practical things. So here, initial practical applications are identified. You will identify what are the initial practical things has to be done, and the potential of materials and process. Already you have done the understanding of materials. From there, you will identify the potentials and what is the need for technology, what are the technologies has to be involved. If we have confirmed, then this will come under TRL 2. And usually here we will do some experimental work. We will collaborate with other researchers, and we will do some experimental work. Here you can bring out some analytical results, or in the from the form of papers, you can do something that will come under TRL 2. And TRL 3 will explain the critical functions and proof of concept. So here you will do that experimental analysis that will be verified part by part. So if you have decided a product will do some functionalities, you will be verifying the individual functions with experimental results. At this stage here, we will be using some modeling or simulation packages to complete the physical experimentations, and we will be doing a laboratory test also. And TRL 4, laboratory testing, validation, and alpha prototyping of components and process. So here we will be developing or designing the product, testing it in the lab in a standard environment, not in a lab which is available in our colleges or something. We will be doing it in the standard testing laboratories. So we will be getting the test certification, results, and other things from this stage. So at this stage, we will be getting almost finalizing the product's performance, and it should be certified by the government testing agency. See the Panamna, it will be reaching the testing requirements. And here it will narrow down the possibility or options